What's up fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. In the last video we did some detailing to this car to get it to a perfect show car shine, and it truly is stunning out in the sun. But one thing we missed out, and we missed that out on purpose, so we forgot to do the engine bay. So today we're going to do a thorough engine clean to make it look super nice. So to get the best result possible, it's pretty easy when you do an engine clean. You need to get rid of oil, dirt and debris. So we have a regular basic degreaser from Tershine, which works really good. Then we have a high concentrate of some alkaline degreaser. So we're going to put on a coat of this first, let it sit for a couple of minutes, then spray on some of this, then start to work it in with a detailing brush so we get in all those hard to get to places. Then we're going to wash everything off with minimum pressure of water. You should not use a pressure washer. Just as little water as possible, just to get the degreaser off and the dirt off. And then we're going to wipe everything down, clean it off. Then we're going to use this refined rubber and trim. And I got some question in the last video. What do I do with the plastic and rubber details? This is perfect for that type of work. So this could be applied to all faded plastic and all rubber details. And it just makes it like brand new. So we're gonna use this afterwards, and the engine bay is gonna shine and be looking like new. So I have poured up in 2 separate bottles. So we're gonna start, and on the metallic parts in the engine bay we're gonna apply some of the quick wash, so we get a little bit of like a thin waxing coat. We might even go with some refract from Tershine, but this is to wipe it off and get a little bit of gloss to it as well. So the main thing that you don't need Tershine's product, but they are really nice to use. So the detailing brush and a good degreaser is very good. And if you have something for rubber and trim, that's also good. That's gonna enhance the results so much more. So basically these 3 products together with the detailing brush, and you will be good to go. So here we have the car. Just gonna pop the hood. And it sure shows that no one has been here for a while. The car is perfectly maintained, but I don't think it has been washed in here. So what we are going to start with is just cover up the main electrics. So the fuse box and maybe a little bit of plastic over the battery and the ECU. Then it will be good to go. And as I said, we don't want to flood the engine, so as little water as possible. And we're gonna start cleaning the underside of the hood so we get this fresh, and then went over to the engine bay and all the covers and everything. So that was a coating of the first degreasers. Now we're just gonna let that sit for a couple of minutes, do its work. Then we're gonna go over with the extract. So now we have laid down the extract over, so we're just going to start to use the brush. Like so. Then we're just gonna rinse it off with some water. Now we're just going to use some compressed air to help out a little bit with the drying so it doesn't drip all the time. It's really not necessary, but if you have access to it, you can use it. Now we are doing the same to the whole engine bay. The first degreaser, spray it down thoroughly, get it in everywhere. Just let it sit for a little while, then put on the extract on top of it. And the extract just smells so good. The regular degreaser is smelling like a regular degreaser does. This extract smells like peach, which is really fresh. Then you just take your detailing brush and start to work it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now most of the plastic is clean and dry, or at least has started to dry. And what I love about doing an engine clean is that all of these like like the oil stick, the yellow just pops when it gets clean. All the caps, it just looks really mint. And now comes like the cherry on top of the cream. It looks good as it is and it's clean, but with the rubber and trim on top of this, it's just gonna look spotless. So now you just take your rubber and trim, refined, now if that isn't satisfaction, then I don't know what is. So that's it for today, guys. This was a really short video, but I just had to show you how to perform a enginebay wash the correct way. If I'm wrong, please comment down below, and if you have any question regarding this video, please comment down below as well. Please stay tuned to the channel. Some amazing things are coming for this car and also for the other cars, so please subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!